Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Info and Learn. In this video, we will write an essay about 5G technology. So let's start. 5G technology is the fifth generation of wireless communication. It is a modern and advanced technology that provides faster internet speed and better connectivity than previous generations. It is designed to meet the growing needs of modern communication. The main advantage of 5G technology is its high speed. It allows users to download and upload data within seconds. 5G also has low latency, which makes online activities such as video calls, online classes, gaming, and live streaming smoother and more reliable. Moreover, 5G technology supports advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, smart cities, online healthcare services, and advanced transportation system. Many industries use 5G to improve productivity and innovation. In conclusion, 5G technology is a great advancement in communication. It makes life easier, faster, and more connected. With proper and responsible use of 5G technology can greatly contribute to the progress and development of society. Thanks for watching.